All right, if you missed problems, any problems between 13 and 16, this is the video you should be watching. You couldn't use your calculator, so you had to remember like terms. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Negative 8i minus I, that's just like saying negative 8 minus 1, and that's negative 9. So it's 11 minus 9i. That would have been your answer for number 13. So that's B. All right, for 14, it's I to the 14th. So the best way to probably remember this is I1, negatives in the middle. And you could just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it was negative 1. Another way to do it is to say to yourself, okay, 4 goes into 14 3 times. The remainder is 2, so that means remainder 2. That would have been remainder 1. That would have been remainder 3. And, of course, you wouldn't have a remainder of 4 because it would have went another time. All right, so 15. Again, you have to just remember that you're multiplying. Negative 7i times 2 is negative 14i. And negative 7i times positive 3i is negative 21i squared. But remember, I squared is negative 1, so that changes. So it's negative 14i plus 21. And they're always going to write it in standard form, which is a plus bi, meaning that you write the number part first and then the I. So that's why they switched it around and did 21 minus 14i. They are equivalent. These are equal to each other. And for 16, remember, you can only multiply the square root. So 2 times 3 is 6. So that gives you 3 square root of 6. And then when you multiply this times this, you can multiply only the 2's. So that gives you 3 square root of 4. Well, the square root of 4 is actually 2. So this has a value of 2. So you end up with 3 square root of 6 minus, well, if that's 2 and that's 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So you end up getting 3 square roots of 6 minus 6. And that is answer C. So now you're to do the problems from Unit 2 test. If you missed problems 13 through 16, then do the worksheet for practice on those problems.